When you are tweeting, somebody asked what a hashtag is. There's lots of different symbols when you're tweeting. Of course, the @ symbol is how you connect directly with someone, how you speak directly to them. A hashtag is actually the number symbol, and then it's going to have a specific word. The specific word is linked to almost an identity on the Twitter web. I think like Bieber, like Justin Bieber is a big one. If you can look down here, this is trending worldwide. These are hashtags that people are putting in their tweets. They've gotten so much attention that they are trending. It's a big deal. When you do trend, that means like some millions and billions of people have seen it. Probably one of the big things I would imagine would have been the hurricane, but instead I see Camp Rock 2. So if you want to say something about Camp Rock 2, woohoo! Camp Rock 2. My daughter watched tonight. Why have they grown up? You can tweet that out, and if you include the hashtag that's kind of popular and trending, and even if it's not trending, kind of create your own. You can tweet it out, and then what you can do is go where you tweeted it. If you click that, it will link to like every single person that has said that has used that hashtag, whether you follow them, whether you don't follow them, whether they're talking to you, whether they're not talking to you. If they have used that in their tweet, this is how you find all the people that have said that. So when these come in handy during Twitter parties, because during Twitter parties we will tweet out things. I love, and our handle there is Mac Kid Tips. It's something they kept the same. They're trying to kind of get recognition for it being a Macaroni Kid thing. So anytime we tweet information about the Twitter party, or we are actually having the Twitter party, we'll use the hashtag Mac Kid Tips. And then if you see if I tweet that, it will then show up in my feed. Go to your profile, look for what you just did. Click on Mac Kid Tips, and here's where you'll see anybody who's used that. Most of, well, it says older tweets are unavailable, but normally there's a whole bunch, especially right after a party. But you can see this person, Squirrel Burrito, said she got her prize pack from the party. Obviously, she's very happy. And Mac Kid Tips is, she included that so that anybody who was following that party, even if they weren't following her, could see that information if they wanted to. When we have a Twitter party, the hardest thing to use is twitter.com. A Twitter party takes a little bit of effort to keep track of and to stay on top of. For me, for people participating, it goes really, really fast. So one of the things I set up for everybody is called a tweet grid. And when you have a tweet grid, I will tweet it out. I will give you the link, and it will take you directly to a page that looks like this. I've already set it up for you, and I've set it up so that you can see the whole list of people talking about Mac Kid Tips. That will be everybody in the party using that hashtag. They don't have to follow you. You don't have to follow them. As long as they include it, you'll see every little word going on at the party. That's the part that's oftentimes overwhelming. Here in the middle, it's usually the people I need you to follow. Number one, of course, is me, because I'm the person handling it. You want to see what I have to say because I might have something to say. We're going to win. I have the questions that you need to submit answers for in order to participate and have fun in the party. You can, I already have it set up for this section to only be the people in the party that are hosting or big sponsors. So in this section, you'll continually look at it and you'll see my stuff going by. Just kind of keep an eye on me during Twitter parties to find out what's going on. And then here, what you do is you put your username. So you have to put the symbol, click search, and now that's your feed. You'll be able to see the things that you tweeted out. So if you're answering a question that I tweeted out, as long as you've done it correctly, it'll appear in here and you'll be able to see it. It'll appear here, and as long as you use the hashtag MacKidTips, it will appear here. The tweet grid is great because it organizes it for you, but the one other great feature of it is that it automatically will put that hashtag in for you. During a Twitter party, it's irritating to continually type the hashtag when it's moving so fast. So they created this program to organize it and to also make it easier for you to keep up with it. So what you need to do when you first get to this tweet grid is to log in. It's going to ask you for your account stuff. Allow you to connect with the application. Oh, I think I lost it. Here, let's allow. And I think once I'm logged in, can't tell if I'm logged in. I can tweet that out. Let's see, tweet. Oh, let's see. Well, how is it letting me do that? Like the ability to access and update your data on Twitter. Sign out if you want to connect. Allow it. It's probably doing that because I am already in. You know, that's why. Okay, so you would click. Let's sign out. See if that works. Let's see, supermommy at gmail.com. I'm going to allow. I think I spelled my name wrong anyways. I'm sorry. This is normally me. This is what my life is like. Okay, that's not going to work. Okay, so you normally you just need to click login and it will allow you to log into your account as you normally would on twitter.com. Once you do that, it will tweet out this little hey, I'm using TweetGrid and this is the URL so you can join too, and then it automatically plops that in for you. That's how you tweet during the party. You tweet hello, or you'll tweet at supermommy. The answer is the answer is 7. And then instead of typing Mac Kid Tips, when you're trying to do it really fast, especially to win something, all you need to do is click tweet and it will tweet it for you. Maybe this will work. Let's see, tweet. Oh, there it goes. I was already logged in. That's why I was having problems. So once you're logged in, it's very simple to do. Once you're logged in, you'll see your name up here, and then you can tweet from it during the party. You can keep track of it. It should appear real quick in our hashtag party section, but that will be moving so fast you might not see it. So click over here to keep it updated, and you should be able to see that I did indeed tweet something out. There you go. There it is right there, and then here in the middle, just keep following me. That's basically how you do it. That's how you follow a Twitter party. You can use some other functions that make it just as easy, but none of them offer that hashtag thing. So that's how you do it.